Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on some of the world's most ambitious infrastructure projects. Today, we're diving into one of the largest and most talked about developments in Europe, the UK's HS2 Railway. From its awe-inspiring engineering feats to the ongoing debates about its costs and impacts, the HS2 project is a major game-changer for the UK's transport network. If you've been wondering about the current status of HS2 and what's expected next, this 2024 update has you covered. Let's get started. HS2, or High Speed 2, is a high-speed railway designed to connect London with major cities in the Midlands and the north of England. It's not just a railway, it's the largest infrastructure project in Europe and the first major intercity railway built north of London in over a century. When fully operational, HS2 promises to revolutionize rail travel in the UK, reducing journey times, boosting economic growth, and bringing the north and south of England closer together like never before. The project is being rolled out in multiple phases, with the first phase connecting London to Birmingham. This section is expected to be operational by 2026, with significant construction milestones happening now in 2024 and continuing into 2025. Future phases will extend the line to Manchester, with plans for Leeds currently under review due to recent budget considerations and shifting priorities. So why is HS2 such a big deal? The project is designed to deliver a more efficient, reliable and faster rail network for the UK. With trains capable of reaching speeds up to 225 miles an hour or 360 kilometers an hour, HS2 will cut travel times between London, Birmingham, Manchester and beyond. For example, a journey from London to Birmingham, which currently takes around an hour and 20 minutes, will be reduced to just 49 minutes. This reduction in travel time isn't just convenience, it's a game-changer for businesses, commuters and tourists alike, enabling smoother and quicker connections between key economic hubs. But HS2 is about more than just speed. It's a project that aims to boost the UK economy by creating jobs, supporting businesses, and enhancing connectivity between key cities. Over 350 active construction sites are currently working on the HS2 line between London and the West Midlands, employing thousands of workers. The project is estimated to support around 30,000 jobs at its peak, with additional opportunities created in the supply chain and associated industries. This railway isn't just a transport project, it's a driver of economic growth that promises to unlock new opportunities across the country. HS2 also aims to be a sustainable solution to the UK's transport challenges. The new line will run fully electric, offering zero-carbon journeys and reducing the country's overall carbon footprint. Once operational, HS2 will play a crucial role in the UK's strategy to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, as it shifts more travel away from cars and planes to more sustainable rail options. This shift is expected to cut millions of car journeys and hundreds of domestic flights each year, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions and helping the UK meet its climate goals. The construction of HS2 is in full swing, with over half of the planned bridges and viaducts already complete. One of the most impressive structures currently being developed is the Carroll Green Rail Bridge near Kenilworth, designed to carry the HS2 line over the existing West Coast Main Line. This 91-meter-long bridge is a marvel of modern engineering, built using 83 giant concrete beams that were installed over 13 consecutive weekends by a team of 30 skilled workers. Each beam was meticulously placed using a 500-ton crawler crane, forming the deck of the bridge that will soon support the high-speed tracks. Before the high-speed tracks are laid, the Carroll Green Bridge will serve a crucial role during construction as part of a haul road for HS2 construction vehicles. It connects the north and south sides of the West Coast Main Line, providing a temporary route that helps reduce construction traffic through local roads and minimizes disruption for nearby communities. This temporary utility showcases the thoughtful planning behind HS2's construction phases, ensuring that the project progresses with minimal impact on daily life. But the Carroll Green Bridge is just one of many impressive engineering feats along the route. HS2 will feature over 65 miles or 105 kilometers of tunnels, including the 10-mile Chiltern Tunnel, one of the longest railway tunnels in the UK. Tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, affectionately named Florence and Cecilia, are hard at work carving through the earth to create these underground routes. Florence, for example, is currently one of the largest TBMs in Europe, measuring over 170 meters in length and weighing in at around 2,000 tons. These machines are not just drilling tunnels, they're creating pathways that will forever change how people travel across the country. HS2 isn't just about building tracks, it's also about building state-of-the-art stations that will redefine passenger experience. 4 new stations are currently under construction between London and Birmingham, including Euston Station in central London, Old Oak Common in West London, Interchange Station in Solihull, and Curzon Street Station in Birmingham. Euston Station, for example, is being transformed into a 21st-century transport hub that will accommodate the new high-speed trains alongside existing services. This will include new platforms, enhanced passenger facilities, and improved accessibility features designed to handle the increased passenger volume expected once HS2 trains start operating. Old Oak Common Station will be a major interchange, linking HS2 with the Elizabeth Line and other rail services, creating a new gateway to the capital from the Midlands and the North. Meanwhile, Curzon Street Station in Birmingham is set to be a striking architectural landmark, blending modern design with the city's historic industrial heritage. These stations will not only be transport hubs, but also catalysts for regeneration. They're expected to drive economic growth in their respective areas, attracting investment, creating jobs, and offering new opportunities for housing and business developments. The economic uplift expected around these stations highlights the broader impact of HS2. It's not just about getting from point A to B faster, it's about revitalizing entire regions and boosting local economies. While the vision for HS2 is impressive, the project has not been without its challenges and controversies. The estimated cost of the project has ballooned over the years, with the latest figures suggesting that the final bill could exceed £100 billion. This has sparked fierce debate among politicians, economists, and the public, with some arguing that the money could have been better spent on other infrastructure projects or public services. There have also been concerns about the environmental impact of HS2. While the project promises to deliver net-zero carbon journeys in the future, the construction process has involved significant land disruption, deforestation, and the displacement of wildlife. HS2 has been working to address these concerns by investing in reforestation and biodiversity offsetting projects, but environmental groups remain skeptical about the overall impact. Additionally, some communities along the route have expressed frustration over noise, disruption, and the compulsory purchase of properties to make way for the new railway. The project has tried to mitigate these issues by engaging with local residents, offering compensation schemes and implementing noise reduction measures, but these efforts have not always been enough to win over critics. The balance between progress and preservation is a delicate one, and HS2 continues to navigate these complex challenges as it moves forward. So what's next for HS2 as we move further into 2024 and beyond? The next couple of years will be critical for the project, with key milestones on the horizon. The first phase between London and Birmingham is scheduled to open in 2026, but before then, we'll see the completion of several major bridges, tunnels, and stations. Meanwhile, work on the stations will also ramp up, with finishing touches being made to the new platforms, concourses, and passenger facilities. Testing of the high-speed trains is expected to begin in late 2025, with the aim of having everything ready for the first passengers in 2026. These test runs will be crucial to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly and that the trains can operate safely at the high speeds promised. Beyond 2026, the focus will shift to the extension of the line further north to Manchester and eventually to Leeds, although plans for this phase have been under review due to cost concerns. Nevertheless, the completion of Phase 1 will be a major milestone, setting the stage for future expansions and demonstrating the transformative potential of HS2. HS2 is a monumental project with the potential to transform UK transport, connecting cities, boosting economies, and setting new standards for rail travel. While it faces challenges, the progress made so far is a testament to the engineering prowess and ambition driving the project forward. As we approach the key milestones of 2024 and 2025, all eyes will be on HS2 as it races towards completion. Thanks for joining us in this 2024 update on HS2. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on other major infrastructure projects, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Let us know your thoughts on HS2 in the comments. Is it a worthwhile investment, or should resources be directed elsewhere? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.